There are some very important aspects of a business we should be aware about. The business operates in three different categories. First is launch business, where you have Falcon 9 and other Falcon Strong heavy rockets, which covers about 70% of commercial satellite global market. And the second is Starlink, which has about over 10 million subscribers around the world. And lastly, there is XAI, following by the recent merger of Grok and other AI infrastructure, including data centers and all other energy projects which Elon is working on. Some important numbers, we should be aware about them. SpaceX issuing about 555 million shares at a flat price of $135, which still varies because they can increase the number of shares or they can reduce the number of shares, which can impact the price. Analysts and reporters are saying they already have orders worth more than they are offering, which is about $75 billion at a valuation of $1.77 trillion. So there is very little room for new investors. They are supposed to join Nasdaq after 150 trading days, but they will be joining 100 days earlier, likely in July. Whereas there is no certainty about inclusion in S&P 500. It could happen in late 2027 or early 2028, because to qualify for S&P 500, the company should need to be cash flow positive, means profitable. And so far, SpaceX is still operating at a loss. So my personal observation is saying, once the IPO is launched, the company has to grow, which is already coming with a mega valuation. And there is nothing else which can drive a stock price and a value of a business in a long run, except its earning and earning potential, which so far there is no consistency in profitability and company is operating at a loss. So my understanding is saying, coming up with a high valuation, this organization is a mega organization. Well, to generate significant value in future, the company have to grow tremendously, which means it has to reach $3, $4, $5 trillion valuation to generate significant wealth to its investors. And the only way to reach that threshold is consistent profitability of a business, which we cannot see nearby in future, maybe in 5 years. So in the end, from my understanding, my suggestion will be for you, you should go with Mr. Buffett. When something becomes extremely hot on a Wall Street and in a global market, an intelligent investor should avoid and be careful to not following the crowd.